With all of our shapes drawn, we are nearly ready to extrude. If we were to go directly to our Features menu and extrude at this point, however, we would find that each shape contained by a separate loop would need to be picked as its own entity. So it would take 4 separate sections to extrude this circle. We can make this much easier by returning to our Sketch tab and using the Trim Entities feature. With Power Trim selected in the menu, we can click and drag through any solid lines that we wish to delete. The lines will be deleted up until the next point that they touch. We can do the same in our polygon. By deleting all of these additional lines, we will only have to click one time when extruding our features. Click the check mark to complete using the Trim tool. Now return to the Features menu and select Extruded Boss Base. Since there are several shapes on the screen, you will find that your mouse turns each section pink as you move from place to place. We will need to click inside the segments that we want to turn into a three-dimensional object. We are not through yet. You will notice that the extrude is coming out the wrong direction to connect to our puzzle piece. This is a very easy fix by simply clicking the reverse direction button in our Boss Extrude menu on the left. Be sure that your distance is set to 5 millimeters. And click the green check mark. At this point, your puzzle piece is halfway complete.